Xavier Gilbert, coach Excelsior High School.
All right, Mr. Gilbert. Pretty much you guys are now top of the table. Completed the first round of the Manning Cup stages. What's your expectation now going forward from here?
We're taking it one step at a time. Well, I mean, our first objective was to top the group. And we have done that. Now it's on to the next round, and we want to win, advance to the final 8, and then take it from there. So our objective now is to make sure that we make it to the other round, which is a quarter-final round.
Question. What would you take away from the first round that you think you can need to fix up or sort out with your team going into the second round to make yourself a better outlet, a stronger team for the second round?
I think all the games we played, we have managed to create quite a number of opportunities, good goal scoring opportunities. Our conversion rate is not where it ought to be, and that's something that we definitely have to fix. And we have conceded some goals in games that I think we're not managing as best as we can. Some of them get carried away and going all over the place. That's something that we have to fix. That when you are in front, you just have to manage the game and don't get carried away and thinking about always wanting to score goals. And it's part of their learning curve, and they learn. Fortunately, it hasn't cost us too much. It has cost us some points in the end, of course, but not necessarily cost us where we're out of the competition. And we want to alleviate that going forward. So that's something that we have to curtail. With ourselves.
All right, coach, and congrats and good game again.
Yeah, thanks.